Now let's add some color to your breakfast with a vibrant and refreshing smoothie bowl. Smoothie bowls are the epitome of health and convenience, providing a power-packed start to your day. They are simple to make, yet their nutritional value is immense. Here's how you can whip up your own smoothie bowl spectacular. Begin with a base of frozen fruits. Bananas are a popular choice, offering a creamy texture and a natural sweetness. Berries, with their high antioxidant content, add a tangy flavor and a wonderful color. Mangoes, pineapples, or peaches can also be used to add a tropical twist to your bowl. Blend your chosen fruits with a liquid. You could opt for plant-based milks like almond or coconut milk for a dairy-free option. A spoonful of Greek yogurt can add a protein kick and a creamier texture. Blend until smooth. The goal is a slightly thicker consistency than a typical smoothie, something you can scoop with a spoon. Now comes the fun part, the toppings. Chia seeds, flax seeds, or hemp seeds can be sprinkled on for a boost of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Fresh fruits, granola, or coconut flakes can add a delightful crunch, while a drizzle of honey or a spoonful of nut butter can bring in an extra layer of flavor. The beauty of a smoothie bowl lies in its versatility. You can mix and match fruits, liquids, and toppings as per your preference and dietary needs. Plus, it's a fantastic way to incorporate a variety of fruits and nuts into your diet. So, not only do smoothie bowls offer a burst of essential nutrients, but they also allow for creativity in the kitchen. Each bowl can be a unique artistic creation, a feast for both the eyes and the palate.